today I'm going to show you how to create the virtual classrooms using Bitmoji app and Google Slides. It's very simple, easy and a very fun and interactive way to teach your learners. So I'm going to present what I have made. So I have made my classroom. So this is how my classroom looks like. It has some class rules, it has a weather chart, it has some cubbies, and it also has a virtual library. It has a reading corner, it also has a maths corner and some reminder. So let's get started. So the first thing that you need to have is a Bitmoji app. So if you already have a Bitmoji app, then you can create your Bitmoji, or if you don't have, then you need to download it on your cell phones and you can create your Bitmoji. So let's go to Google and write Bitmoji, and this is how your Bitmojis will look like. So you can download this app on the App Store if you have iOS, like iPhone, and you can get it on Google Play if you have an Android phone. So you need to download this app. You need to create your account using your ID and password, and then you can create your own Bitmoji. So you can create your own person. You can customize your complexion. You can customize your hair, you can customize your outfit, and then you can create your own Bitmoji. So if you've created your own person, then you can come back to here bitmoji.com, and you need to have this Google extension for Bitmoji. So if you're using Google Slides, so be careful that you need to use Google Chrome because both are Google operated. So you just need to click Bitmoji for Chrome desktop. You need to add this extension. So you can see there's an option add to Chrome. Just add to Chrome and add Bitmoji. You need to add the extension. So now the Bitmoji extension is added and it will look like this green square icon, and if you will click it, so you will find all your Bitmojis at one place. So you can see it here, all your Bitmojis are here and you are ready to create your classroom. So now let's create our classroom. Let's go to Google and you can select the correct ID and you can click on these 9 dots. Click on these 9 dots and select slides. Now you need to click on the start a new presentation. Click on the blank document and you can delete the first slide. Now here you can see there is a plus sign which is for the new slide and a drop down sign which is new slide with the layout. So I really need a blank layout, so I'll click here and I'll select some blank document. So now I need to create a background for my classroom. So all you need to do is click on the background, change background option, choose an image. So if you have already selected a Google image and it is in your computer, so you can upload it for your background. And if you're like me, if you don't have any image, so you can just select Google image search and you can select wall and floor background. So here there are so many options. There are many options. There are 3D options as well, and if you like any, so you can select that. Now I really like the first one, so I'll go with this one. I'll click on it and click insert. So the background is added, and the good part about the background is that if you'll click on it, it will not move, and it will be better for your learners also because they'll not be able to move it. But if you will insert an image, then it might move. So now I have put some background. Now I want to add a whiteboard. So now click on insert, go to image and click on search the web. So the keyword here is transparent. So you need to click transparent whiteboard. So I need a whiteboard for my classroom. So there are a lot many smart boards, whiteboards, whichever you like, you can select. So I am going with the second one. So I'm inserting this. So you can resize your whiteboard and here. So I think this is the size which I want for my whiteboard. Now in my classroom I need a bookshelf. Now you can again go to insert, image option, search the web. So you can write transparent bookshelf. So if you want a bookshelf which is empty, or if you want a bookshelf with some books, you can choose any. So I'm choosing this one. I'm choosing an empty bookshelf. I can type in empty bookshelf. So this is the bookshelf I want, and I'll click on it and I'll click insert. So so it's here. So now I'll resize the bookshelf. I'll resize it and I can put it here. Now I really want a plant in my classroom, so again insert, image, search the web, transparent floor plant. Now I want a transparent floor plant. So many typos. I really like this one, so I am selecting this and I am inserting this. So I will be putting this here. So this is how I want my plant to be, right next to my bookshelf. Now I really want, I also want a rug. So I can write transparent rug for my flooring. So you can choose any, whichever you like. Transparent rug, I like this color. So I think it's taking a little time to load. So I'll select it, I'll drag it, and I will put it here. So you can expand it like this. Now I really want, I want insert image. Now I want a chair. So I can have a transparent chair for me to sit in the class. So I think I will go with this one. I'll insert a chair. I'll resize it and I'll put it here. I want to sit here in front of my whiteboard. So I will put. Now I can add my own Bitmoji. So you can click on the Bitmoji extension and you can find. Now I want my Bitmoji to sit. So you can write here sit and I can choose from it, and you can right click and copy image, and then you can again click here. You can click here and you can paste it, or you can drag and drop as well. So this is how you can just drag and drop your Bitmoji, and you can resize it and you can make it sit on the chair like this. So my Bitmoji is sitting on the chair. If you want your Bitmoji to flip the side, you can select, you can order, you can right click, you can click on order, and you can click on rotate. Just right click and you can click on flip horizontally. So now my Bitmoji is sitting on the chair. So now I really want to write on my whiteboard. So you can click on text box and insert a text box here. So I have inserted a text box, and you can write good morning and welcome to your classroom. And if you want any announcements, you can also write some announcements here. So this is now my whiteboard, which with the text box now I can write anything on my whiteboard. So, and now I also want a bulletin board. So you can go back to insert image, search the web. I want a transparent bulletin board. So you can, I think I'll go with the wooden one. I'll go with this one. I'll insert, and you can put this. So this is the bulletin board. I am really liking it. So I want my numbers to be put up here. So I can insert. So I have already taken the screenshot of my number images. So I'll upload from the computer. So these are my screenshots which I have already taken and saved in my computer. So if you want class rules, or I want some numbers, so I can choose the numbers. I want the image of numbers to be on the bulletin board, so you can fix this. You can resize and put it on your bulletin board. And now if you want to add a link to it, just click on the image, insert, go to link. If you have any YouTube link, you can paste the link of any rhyme or anything, and you can apply it here. So when you click on this, the learner will click on this, it will take them to the link. So this is how you can create your own classroom. This is a very simple tutorial on how you can add things. If you want to add any more thing, if you want to add any books, you can have some screenshots of books, you can place it here, and you can add some links. You just need to click on the picture, and you need to insert, the link and apply. You can also put some videos of yourself in this. You can like, if you want if you want them to submit any test, so you can insert any link here, and you can click on the test, and you can put some link here of your test, and you can apply, and you can do it. So I think it's a very simple tutorial, so you can make your classroom. If you really like this tutorial, so you can subscribe my channel, and so it's bye bye.